In front of me is VIVO Y284 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to hit security. Then tap on face, enter your screen lock and hit start enrollment. Then choose I have read privacy statement, hit agree, keep your face in frame and wait for 100% mark. Then choose OK. And operate all of those options however you want to. When you finished, go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can start face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!